Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Weldy. So today I want to talk about reading comprehension difficult occurrences. Um, this is my article. This presentation focuses on the word of the difficult. The student occurrence of the when trying understand. English student occurrence. Reading comprehension are the most revealing skill in language learning about super vocabulary growth. Writing deployment war recommendation uh, was suck and the vocabulary and the absence of leading strike and the contest warn or the kind of feeling around recognition important question released on the topic. Next, the caution article. Why choose as an article? The first is the explore student struggle in this understanding academic reading text, improving perspective from the both teacher and the students. It relates concept of the real challenge in the reading classes. So, I select this article because if the improve and the clear and the realistic picture in the form is the if student in the reading comprehension, the study in the snow of focus on the student. See the boost also in the cause of reading difficulties. What actually modify other of the article and uses a combination of quantitative and quantitative methods, giving a more balanced understanding of the problem. Since I'm also reading students. Reading challenge of the article becomes relevant for my study. The next connection to my study. The first about the study helix problem, why the vocabulary and the grammar in the reading. The second, similarity research methods are the uses questionnaire and the observation. The three is the support of my finding about student motivation and the reading strategies. So, difference of the explains. The article of the strongly realities of the domain of RISE project, what of studies, focus and understanding, students have difficult in the reading a list of the text. In my of study, also of the vocabulary immunization and the complex grammar and the phrase problem for the motherboard of student is similar RISE instruction, including survey and observation, which make of the comparison valid. The article also of super of the reading motivation awareness of reading strategies of the big of the improving comparison with of the motivation and the big conclusion. Students often fail to understand what they often of they already know of the basic words. Okay, next, key feelings. My difficult of found in the study. First, study of students really too much of the war for the war transition. The second, difficult understanding long and the complex sentence. The three, limited vocabulary slow and the comparison. The four, lacks of the strategy to innovate, mind idea, and guide information. So, the study of relevant of the mass of the EPL learners of the soul text is the gist of the reading of the stand of the meaning. They translate every word, which makes of reading slow and the things are not difficult of the grammatical knowledge every when of the sentence are long written academics. Style in editing limited vocabulary makes it a hard of the meaning form context. Um, the last major problem of the static is many students don't know everything meant on it. Specific information or makes inference. This show the needs of the teacher of the student in the using active reading strategies. Next, reflection and the question my reflection. Reading comprehension improve through students of the practice. Teachers sort of the ability teach reading strategies. Reading material most mature student from difficulty levels. School question: how can the teacher and of study of the effective reading strategies? What against of the can motivate the student to read more? So after so after analyzing the article, are the student of the reading comprehension is along a skill development route. A concept of the practice, student how he needs to. Teacher what are the kind of how not just to words. For example, teacher show which is sort of reading scheming of also reading. And the research of student of the bar, they stole based of student interest and the English property. English property when of student enjoy of the read their comprehension and the vocabulary will improve. Naturally, my good question I'm to explore on how teacher and a mix of getting effective to elevate learners. Okay, the last closing takeaway message: reading comprehension grow not from reading more word out from reading with a purpose, strategy, and a confidence. Odyssey from the Galaxy around 2089. Okay, the final is message the readings comparison is not just how many and read or how many words. We can know what your limit is the reading with purpose, understanding the meaning behind the sting of the having confidence of channeling material every day can they improve using in the day focus quality from and the test about student and the teacher effective reading in the combination of the skill motivation and message. Okay, thank you for my presentation. So thank you. Kan mana?